All right. Good evening, YouTube model community, and to Fred. This is my open box. There we go. For this bad boy. Just came in today. Hopefully it's going to come out with the spelling proper. It's in the backwards on the phone. So anyway, I'm going to try to get this real short, Charlie and Jeff, so that way you're able to watch it. I'm doing an open box for this. Fred wanted to know all that was in here. And I know, was it K&WK and something. Sorry, I'm flubbing up your name, but you did one 3 or 4 days ago, Saturday or Sunday, and you started building it. So there is a open box of this, but since Fred wants to, I don't know if Fred's sub to him, so I figured I'd throw this up real quick. Let's start off. Let's do the tires. Yeah, that's about close I need to be. Nice. It's like I wish, and these are nice. I wish Revell or NASCARs that we're building had tires like these. They're nice and they're real good. They're about like nice rubber tires. I can't describe it, but they're nice and soft. Of course, you get 4 of them. Very nice. No name on it, of course, but they're just low profile tires. Next, here's the chrome tree. Sorry, I'll get it here in a minute. Hopefully this is coming out okay. Yeah, probably too shiny. But yeah, everything's pretty darn detailed. No flash whatsoever. Of course, you either have already built these or like, duh. This is my, I wish that would come out better. But yeah, you've got exhaust pipes, I'm guessing here. Backlights. Yeah. I don't know where this is. I'm guessing this here goes on the back. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Nice chrome. I'm trying to keep everything together so I can put them back in the bag. Of course, you've got your glass pieces. When I first saw that the other day when the gentleman did his video on this, there we go. I thought that was a darn hood for a second. I was like, what the heck are they doing a clear hood? There we go. But no, it's not. It's that's the back window. That's your front window. Your 2 sides. Sorry about that. Backlight covers. I'm guessing no clue. Oh, I have absolutely no clue. I think this goes up front according to the picture. I'm probably wrong. This goes. Sorry, these go down on the bottom underneath the headlamps. And these look like probably on the back. And these are headlamp covers from what I'm looking at right now from the picture. So that's what those are. Get this out of the way. Try to do it under 10 minutes, guys. Then you got your wheels. Yeah, your backs. Or rotors, sorry. Rotors and brakes. And both in the, I'm guessing front and in back, being those are a little bit bigger. And here's what you got for an engine. You got the top piece, and then this goes on top, lays on top of it. You don't really have a transmission underneath or a bottom piece under it. These both go together. That goes on top and slides into the chassis. Of course. Oh, yeah. Anyway, y'all know what they are. But yeah, it's pretty detailed. I am looking forward to building it sometime. Not anytime real soon, because I've got other builds I've got to catch up on. There we go. Try to go slow, let y'all see it. But I don't want Jeff and Charlie stressing over how long it is, but I want to be thorough for y'all. That way y'all can see everything. All right. Okay. Put that down. Grab the next one. I think y'all can identify what they are. Pretty self-explanatory for the most part. Of course, these here. Yeah. This here. And these 2, of course, they go on the hood. From, I believe, yeah, underneath. They pop right in there. I saw Lucas C. He built it. Did a real good job. And yeah, I mean, Brian and Fred said I was going to be amazed by the detail here. And I must say, so far, pretty dang good, guys. I'm telling you. Nice and clean. I mean, it's like it should be a die-cast car. And all I got to do is just slap it together. Yeah, your steering wheel. License plate covers, I'm guessing. Back spoiler support, I'm guessing, too. And yeah. That's your spoiler. There should be some sides that go on it. Here somewhere. But I don't see them just yet. I'm hoping this is all coming in good for y'all. Alright, at the almost 6-minute mark. Of course, let's do the body real quick. Yeah. Yeah, this camera doesn't give it justice. It's nice. If I wanted to leave it this color, it'd be just fine. But I'm not. I'm going to do the gray. I think I've got that in splash paint colors in my drawer here. Or, yeah, over there. There's your roof. Well, I'm trying, Charlie. I'm trying to do my best here. Underneath there. Look how detailed that is. Try to stay out of the way of the light. Maybe that'll help. It helps having the light here on me, coming down on me. Makes it look a lot better. There we go. We'll do it. Yeah, brainchild. Do it like that. Put it into the light. See? That's where those pieces fit right up in there. Slide right in there. Got little slots. Pretty amazing. I do believe this is my last tree. Oops. Almost knocked a piece off. Look at that detail. Pretty nice. Told Fred I was going to do this in the morning. Heck, it keeps gnawing at me. I just said, nah, I'll knock it out because I know I'm not going to something's going to happen and I'm not going to have time to do this. So look at that, yeah. Let's flip this around. Show the inside. Well, as best I can do with that, being it's the way it's, maybe that. There we go. I'll figure it out. See, it's pretty nice. Very detailed in there. Then you got your roll cage here. Of course, you got shocks here. And that might be front and back ones. You got your side mirrors right here. More little intricate pieces. I don't know what they are, really. Because they're so detailed. I mean, there's parts on this tree that I'm not used to seeing. This here, I almost knocked that darn thing off. Yeah. Rest of the roll. Oops, excuse me. Rest of the roll cage. That's roll cage here. There. This, I believe, is 2, along with that. Then you got this here and these. And that's going to hold something. Don't know what, but I'm sure somebody knows already. You got the door latches. Yeah. So that's pretty cool. You can paint those. It's all same body color, so I'll probably end up putting it on the darn thing anyway, according to this here. So yeah. Of course, here's this. Yeah. Okay. This is just a little idea of how detailed this is. Instructions, and it's in English. It's got decals and stickers with it. Give you a little more, another peek at it. Look at that. In English. Love it. Yeah. But I won't do it yet. I'm gonna hold off. Like I said, I want to catch up on my other builds. Got something else here. Well, if it'll let me pull it out. It's got the oh yeah, masking stickers, my bad. So you get masking stickers for all the windows. Give me an idea of some of the decals. I guess I could bring it. Yeah, heck, what am I doing? I'll bring them out. I got time. It's only 9:50, guys. So a few more minutes, still be a record. All right. Well, get that staple out of the way. there's your masking stickers. Of course, as I said, never used them. There we go. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 11 of these suckers. That's a lot of masking. I hope I don't flub it up. Then, yeah, there's more decals. Come on. Hoping this is coming out okay. Yeah, I'll just stay like that. You'll see it. And then there's the last one here. Wow, that is shiny. And it's silver. You got, like in the other gentleman's video, you can do 17 or 18. And you got your seat belt decals. Yeah, a lot of writing. Different sponsors and such. Yeah. Let's back up a little bit. Very nice. Okay. So, I have to say, that's pretty much it, guys. Just over 11 minutes, so not bad. I'm happy with that. Of course, with all Tamiya kits, yeah, here's your decal sheet booklet. So 17 and 18. Yeah, background information on it, but still, it's just more or less tell you where to put all the decals. Definitely don't want to lose that. And of course, they got the helpful tip page in here. Tech tips. Yeah, they're in English too, so cool. All right, that's it for that, folks. So, yeah, see, not bad, a little bit better. So, y'all, y'all enjoy yourselves tonight. Start my 7 days tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get this bad boy put together. I got a little bit of it. I'm getting there. So, till then. Stay safe, build on, yeah, and I'm tired, so I'm gonna stop babbling, get the heck off here. Yep, that's the weasel behind me there, scary, ain't it? So, we'll talk to y'all later. You enjoy yourselves, and